Conversation between husband and wife about a new phone.
Why are you looking so thoughtful? What are you thinking?
I am thinking of buying a new smartphone.
What happened to your phone? Which I gave you?
I have been using that phone for 5 years. And now it is not working properly.
Okay. Which company phone do you want to buy?
I have heard that 5G phone has just been launched.
But which company?
I don't know much about phones. But whatever you want to buy, it will do for me.
Despite being so educated, you don't know anything about the phone.
Being educated doesn't mean knowing everything about the phone.
I don't want to argue with you.
Okay, dear. I want to know what to keep in mind while buying a new phone.
First of all, we should know about the company of the phone, its internal storage, the megapixels of the camera, etc.
Okay, dear. Which phone do you think we should buy?
Let me check online. Which smartphone is launched?
A few moments later.
I think we should buy Samsung Galaxy smartphone.
What is its price?
I think it is under £500.
Wow. That is great. It is under our budget.
Yes.
But how much storage does it offer?
It has an internal storage of 64 GB and 4 GB RAM.
And how about the camera?
The rear one is 64 megapixels, while the front one is 16 megapixels.
How much is its warranty?
1 year manufacturer warranty for smartphone, and 6 months warranty for accessories.
Oh. What about battery?
Battery is really good, with 24 hours of normal daily use.
Okay. I think this phone will be good for me.
You are right. I think we should buy this phone.
Thanks, dear.
It's my pleasure.
When are you going to buy this phone?
I will buy it tomorrow. I am extremely tired now. So, I want to sleep.
Good night, dear.
Good night.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.